Yo, welcome back to the channel. And I'm installing my battery. Even though I got on the bus and I was doing it, I took it on the bus and was I took it on the bus and people was looking at me like I was kind of weird because I had it on the bus. So yeah. So I'm putting the battery in now. Got that in. See, you trying to get these. Make sure I got these wires right. B, yeah. Positive. What's up, bosses?
Everything alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. Just putting in my battery. What the hell I do? Police just rode, 12 just rode up on me.
How's everything going tonight, alright?
It's going good.
Alright.
I just
Changing the battery or what?
Yeah, I'm just putting in my battery I went and got.
Oh, you're putting in the battery?
Yeah.
Okay.
You stay here?
Yep, I stayed 4953.
Alright, well someone called on you, I don't know, they seen you working on this.
Oh yeah,
I think it's suspicious, so.
I'm slowly restoring it.
Oh, that's cool.
I can tell you now the place ain't right on it.
Who
So
they come back to?
nah, they gonna come back to me.
Oh, that's all
But,
right.
you
You're
know-
not driving, so.
You know, I just got the re-in for it yesterday. The steering shaft, and I haven't registered the car.
What's your name?
Shannon Washington. I got my
I don't
ID
know
right
who
here.
called. That's all right.
I ain't even registered the car yet because I'm restoring it.
Yeah, no problem.
Now,
You know all your neighbors?
Huh?
You know all your neighbors, right?
From like this house back.
but do these people mind that you're working here?
All these people, they just come do their garden. I talked with them over the summer, you know.
But they don't mind the
And
car
he told
being
me he
here,
don't
right?
mind me being here as long as I'm not doing nothing illegal.
Yeah, no. As long as they don't mind you. It's actually anonymous, so it's not like we got a name of someone that called, but. Yeah, you still got a nice body shape.
Yeah, that's what.
Good.
Yeah, because I just put a trans in it not too long ago.
But this was an old police car, so you know
Yeah.
it's probably it got ran pretty hard.
Yeah, it belonged to Ohio. It served Ohio Highway Patrol for 10 years. This fuck negative was a bitch to get off in the first place, man. It's hard to go on.
Yeah, it's like a little hammer.
Yep, I got a hammer in here. I think I got the retarded hammer too. See, this is what I do. Bound cheap, restoring.
Look up. Sometimes, you know,
What's up, man? Yeah. I guess somebody got suspicious and said, I don't know, guess said I'm doing something wrong to the car.
All right, Mr. Washington. You have a nice night, okay, sir?
All right, y'all have a nice
is
night
the car
too.
yours or who's the car's name under?
It was still under the last person I got it from. I haven't did none of that yet because I'm restoring it. I just threw the plate on there, you know, just to get it from there to here.
Yeah.
And it's been parked since.
All right. Have a good night, okay, buddy?
All right, you too.
All right, take care.
So somebody called me and said I was stripping my car. Like, what the hell? Somebody called the police on me and said I was stripping my car. What type of shit is that? What type of fuckery is that? Everybody know my car over here. And matter of fact, everybody be scared of my car over here. And now somebody called and say I'm stripping a car that is mine. I don't know. It's just like when they was calling the police on me during the summer when I was watching Roadrunner in my wife's Avalon, talking about I had a gun, calling the police saying I had a gun. And then when the police started coming to that, because they knew it was bullshit after they searched me so many times, they started saying we was fighting. You know, like the week before my wife's Avalon transmission went out, they called the police talking about we was in the alley fighting. So, I don't know. People just don't got nothing to do with their lives. People just don't have nothing to do with their life. Officers is cool though. They ain't give no hard time. They ain't give me no hard time. You know, I went on ahead and gave my ID because I knew they was gonna eventually ask for it. You know, and which I knew they was gonna ask for it, so I ain't sweating. Now let's have a moment of truth. Moment of truth. Yeah, been power. And she fired right up. No more jumping, Roadrunner. No more jumping, Roadrunner. No more telling my wife, babe, let me see your truck. Let me jump, Roadrunner. No more of that. Let me turn off the remote and turn off these lights. Okay. That Roadrunner started, battery in. Got it started. Sorry for the delay, but somebody called police saying, like I said, somebody called police saying I was stripping a car. Like, what the hell? Look at that new battery. New battery alert, new battery alert. Got her running, gonna let her run for a while, let her warm up. Matter of fact, I might not even let her warm up tonight. I know I just ran her the other day till she warmed up. It's cold out here. Got my baby in the house. So, got my mom's watching her for a minute. And, yeah, so, I come out here and crank her tomorrow and let her run. Get back in the house and have my daddy daughter time. I just put the battery in tonight because, you know, like I said, I live in the hood, and, you know, leaving the battery in the car, you know, people will bust a brick. People will take a brick to the window, or bust a window and steal a brick, or bust a window with a brick just to steal another brick. So I know definitely if I wake up in the morning, somebody may walk past through this. Somebody might walk through this field and then be like, then see my window, be like, oh, a battery, and $45 down the drain. So I went on ahead and put it in tonight. The Roadrunner is up and running. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch y'all in the next video. But yeah, somebody called and said I was stripping my own damn car. You know, you said you gotta call somebody suspicious of you saying you stripping the car. Like, what the fuck? And like, that's why, like, one of the guys, he stayed at the man's halfway house down the street, came back down to the women's halfway house where his woman stays at, and he was like, you cool? You know, cause he know me, you know. I'm known over here, you know, just known as a young guy who stays out the way and be with his child, you know, and fuck with cars. But, you know, everybody know I ain't stripping no car. If I'm gonna do something dirty with a car, I'm not gonna do it in the neighborhood that I live in. I'm gonna go to another neighborhood that I don't be in and do the dirt. That's one thing my daddy always taught me. Do not shit where you sleep at. And I'm not gonna shit in the neighborhood where I be at. No, I go to another neighborhood. But, you know, yeah, so nothing came back wrong. The car not hot, nothing. The plate not hot, nothing. So, yeah. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. Roadrunner back up and running. We're just starting up. Got the red yesterday. Red check. Battery check. Steering shaft coming hopefully pretty soon. And hopefully that labor money to get Roadrunner back on running on the road real soon. I'll catch y'all in the next video.